Hello guys, welcome back to my mom YouTube channel, and we doing hot and spicy noodle challenge, and we doing
the 3 hollow,
the
3 peppers.
Wait, is this the third version?
Yep.
Yeah.
It got 3. It got 3 peppers in. That's how hot it is at the very top. It got
And
3
chili
of them.
sauce.
Extreme hot, extremely hot.
It smells like chili.
So they done did the first one, the second one, and this is like the third one that they're gonna do.
It says blazing hot, extra hot. So, I don't know.
Let's give it a try. So they already boiled the water and got the noodles soft. So they're gonna add the flavor off in now.
No, I got on.
That looks disgusting.
It's not a challenge.
Is it?
No, it's
Then
not
you
a
gotta-
race. Let's
you
just see who can finish it.
Yeah, it's a race.
No.
It's a race.
Jenny, you
got
got
all
that
on.
stuff all on your fingers.
Yeah.
How'd you even do that?
Lick
I
it
don't
off.
know.
Lick it off. Lick it off. Is it hot?
That's a chili
Okay,
sauce.
get the...
Lick it, Molly.
Junior, come on,
God.
get the package. Is it hot?
Smells like seasoning you put on a chicken.
That's what it smell like?
Yeah, it does smell like that.
Oh, it
Take a while
does.
just to mix that.
They didn't put
Adjust. Please
the
smell
herbs
that.
off in there. They don't like these, so they didn't put those off in there.
Because
That
last
makes
time we
it
put it in there, it was disgusting. It just made it look weird.
You didn't even put it in last time.
You didn't do it. Junior did.
But I still
But the
ended up,
second one you did.
yeah. Like I said, it was disgusting.
I did it both of them. Okay.
It's red.
Does
Adjust. Please smell.
As long as it's not green.
Does it smell hot?
You smell.
Okay, let's try it.
It smells like normal.
Okay, y'all ready? It's whoever finished first is the winner.
It smells good.
Without drinking anything.
Keep mixing.
Oh, Mexicans. Mexicans.
So here's the challenge. They can't drink, they have to eat it all, and they cannot drink nothing until it's finished. Okay, y'all ready?
Yeah.
Set, go.
Is it hot?
It is.
Really hot.
Yes, it is.
Really, really, really super duper hot, hot.
Noodles have to be small.
It don't seem like it's hot to Junior. Is it hot, Junior?
Yeah.
he
He says hot. So I think
tried his hotness. He don't show expression, but you like sure it's hot.
It is.
Are y'all taking turns?
we're thinking.
God, think about it. We're like, what's the last one hot?
It was like but it wasn't like hot, cause y'all finished it like it was nothing.
We also add a hot sauce in it.
Mmm. That was hot.
Stop eating that. I want some of that. Give me some.
It's burning right here.
Mama, I'm doing the challenge over here too.
I said stop eating all those M&Ms.
It tastes good.
You know you like M&M's. Come on. You gotta be. Doesn't matter if I eat all them.
What is cheater?
I'll eat that too.
Never mind. He's back in the game.
Is y'all gonna make it without drinking it? You look like he was an inch out of that chair now.
It's like, woo!
Junior makes it look like it's not hot.
Yeah, Junior do makes it look like it's not hot. Y'all just slurping. Down, Tyler.
Junior's almost finished.
Who's gonna win? They like
Let's
twins.
make a tie. Wait a minute, because I'm done.
Oh God, it's hot. She lost the challenge.
No, I didn't.
Let me see. No, you didn't even show
You're
us you
going
was
to-
finished. So you can't drink nothing until we see you finished. Okay, this one is Katrina's. You didn't finish. Y'all still got noodles up
I
there.
am finished. I'm
It's
done.
noodles.
I still eat that.
Okay, Katrina actually finished first.
Ooh,
And
she
she
drank water.
actually won. So now she's getting some water so she's not off in the video because she's getting water because it was hot.
That's up. It's hot. It made you go lightheaded.
Come on, so you can make the video up. So yes,
Tastes like chicken.
they actually finished this one. And we're gonna find more.
Right here.
We're gonna find more different kinds of spicy noodles to try. So yeah, they tried the hot and spicy, blazing hot, and they got the 3 like peppers on there. If you can see it, the 3 peppers. They done already did the first and the second, and they did the third now. So
There's a 4th and a 5th. Oh, good luck, Vegas. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe at the bottom. I'm totally tongue twister there.
Bye.
Bye.